Global equity markets continues its positive bias. During the past few days, there has been some consolidation and volatility. After the way the markets went up in the month of November, little bit of consolidation at the elevated levels is good for the health of the market, and we should not read too much into this volatility beyond some amount of profit taking and consolidation. The way the fiscal authorities globally are handling the situation is commendable, and the flow of liquidity for supporting growth and recovery continues unabated. The Central Bank of India, RBI, in their credit policy announcement, maintained their accommodative stance and kept the policy rates unchanged. Their inflation projection and the growth estimates also have improved, and that is leading them to believe that the recovery, the green shoots of which are visible, is for real, and they are going all out to support growth and recovery. Under these conditions, I think markets are taking positive cues and looking forward to a vaccinated world in the near future. The news on vaccines have been extremely positive, and the timelines of vaccination is becoming nearer and nearer, which is leading the market to feel more bullish. We believe that the positive bias in the Indian markets will continue, while markets are at an elevated level, and in some cases the prices have reached or near their all-time highs. We still believe that there is a re-rating in certain sectors and stocks, and this process will continue with the recovery. We believe that agriculture and rural as a theme will continue to lead apart from BFSI. As far as agriculture and rural theme is concerned, we believe that fertilizer companies need a relook. Coromandel International is one company which we would recommend the investors to enter at current levels. As far as BFSI is concerned, we believe Federal Bank, RBL, as well as the two leading private sector banks, Axis and ICICI, can be looked at for investment even at current level. As far as the PSU banking patch is concerned, even at current elevated levels, SBI looks interesting for an entry. Overall, we maintain our positive view in the market, and investors should look at building their portfolio at the current time as well by selecting carefully the stocks which we have been talking about. Thank you.